In this video, I am going to teach you how to understand and use the Ehlers Decycler Oscillator indicator. The Decycler Oscillator is a technical indicator that shows us the strength and direction of cycles in the market. This indicator helps us to visualize those cyclical price movements, which sometimes go up and sometimes go down. As I mentioned, this indicator is based on identifying market cycles. To do this, it uses two high-pass filters. A high-pass filter is a mathematical tool that removes the least probable frequencies from a signal, allowing only the most probable frequencies to pass through, thus giving only the signals with the highest probability of success. In the case of the Decycler oscillator, two such high-pass filters are applied to the price data, one with a shorter period and one with a longer period. This gives us two different oscillators, which we will call Deco 1 and Deco 2. The idea behind using these two oscillators is to identify divergences between them. When Deco 2 is above Deco 1, it can indicate an uptrend, and when Deco 2 is below Deco 1, it may indicate a downtrend. These divergences between the oscillators are what can help us anticipate possible changes in market direction. You can search for this indicator in TradingView by the name Ehlers Decycler Oscillator by the user Everget. In its settings, we can activate the colors to better identify its signals. Indicator parameters, such as high-pass filter periods and multiplication factors, can be adjusted to optimize its performance in different markets and time frames. Experimenting with these settings can help us achieve better results. Now let's move on to the interpretation of the indicator. Basically, a buy signal is given when the indicator changes from red to green. A dot appears just at the moment of the oscillator's crossing. A sell signal is given when the oscillators change from green to red, and the dot appears as a signal. The zero line in this indicator represents a zone of neutrality. When the oscillators cross above the zero line, it can be a sign of an uptrend, and the bottom is painted green. Conversely, when these oscillators cross below the zero line, it may be a sign of a downtrend, and the bottom of the indicator is painted red. However, it is important to keep in mind that there may be situations in which the indicator shows a divergence with respect to the price of the asset. That is, the oscillator may be falling while the price continues to rise, or vice versa. These divergences between the oscillator and the price may be a sign that the market is losing strength or momentum, even if the price does not yet reflect it. They can be a warning that a possible trend change is coming. One of the most interesting uses of this indicator is its ability to help us identify key support and resistance levels. By observing the points at which the oscillators change direction, we can detect important areas where the price could bounce or find it difficult to move further. Once we have identified these support and resistance zones using the behavior of the oscillators, we can take advantage of them to place our stop loss and take profit points more precisely. Thus, when we observe an entry signal, such as a change in the color of the oscillators indicating a possible change in trend, we will be able to make more solid investment decisions. In summary, the Ehlers Decycler Oscillator is a valuable tool in technical analysis that helps us to identify market cycles and anticipate possible trend changes. Remember that, like any indicator, it is not infallible. You must apply a comprehensive analysis and proper risk management to make sound decisions. Thanks for watching. If you liked it, please like and subscribe to the channel.